Hi everybody, and thank you for watching this presentation. I am Felipe, a master student at the Universidad Federal do ABC, and I will present a collaboration project entitled Word-Level Markers of Parkinson's Disease, a Neurocognitive Study. Parkinson's disease is one of the most prevalent neurodegenerative disorders worldwide, and cognitive research with these patients is an important approach to search for early biomarkers. Specifically, semantic processing studies are an important window to reveal candidate, potentially sensitive word-level markers of the disease, with the possibility of developing computerized tools based on them and improve efficiency and the costs of neuropsychological assessments and treatments. Recent approaches have observed different semantic impairments on Parkinson's disease. First, these patients seem to have an impaired processing of action verb processing, showing slower response times and poorer word association when action verbs are present in lexical decision, semantic association, and picture naming tasks. Furthermore, to make these observations more ecological, fluency tasks and natural production of language research have been made, showing that patients typically evoke less action verbs. Although some claims for cross-linguistic replicability have been made, these results have been observed in different languages and cultures, showing associations with brain regions and networks involving motor and semantic processing, together with studies evaluating patients in on-off phases of levodopa, in which performance typically worsens in the off phase. Second, connected with mild cognitive impairment, patients tend to evoke words that are more concrete and imaginable. I mean the ease with which we can rely on contextual and perceptual information to talk about a word. Interestingly, machine learning analysis shows that these psycholinguistic variables are effective in discriminating patients with healthy controls, when they freely evoked words on a proper listening task, pointing the importance of the evaluation of these words in semantic assessments of Parkinson's disease. Finally, word relation analysis have shown that patients show poorer semantic navigation than healthy elderly, as they use words that have less semantic variability on language production tasks, meaning that they tend to use words that are semantically closer. For example, dog and cat are semantically closer than dog and building. Furthermore, they generate fewer semantic category clusters and perform less cluster switching than controls. Interestingly, semantic variability has also been associated with the processing of the sensory-motor network. All these results highlight the importance of analyzing the processing of specific word types, as action verbs and abstract words, and specific word relations because of semantic variability, in semantic assessments to extract word-level markers of Parkinson's disease. In previous work, we developed a novel approach to capture them with a property listing task, in which individuals are asked to describe properties typically associated with a concept. For example, for the concept sun, properties could be it's yellow or summer, and thus extracting several linguistic features. The aim of this project is to extend our approach by manipulating the type of concept and exploring novel neural correlates via functional near-infrared spectroscopy, NIRS. Specifically, we will perform three kinds of tasks: a property listing task, fluency task, and naturalistic language task. All of them focuses on freely extracting linguistic features to be analyzed together with activation levels of brain regions and networks mediating both motor scales and semantic processing, thus better understanding correlations between neural activity and semantic processing. We will explore speech and acoustic and lexicosemantic features of patients. All evaluations will be done with NIRS, aiming to capture brain activity from motor and semantic related areas. We predict that PD patients will be robustly discriminated from controls, specifically by properties related to action verbs and abstract words at large. Also, patients should evoke words with less semantic variability and perform less clustering and less cluster switching, specifically with action verbs and abstract words. We further hypothesize that the most sensitive word properties will predict a stronger motor cortex activation levels. Thank you very much.